Start tonight with the breaking news. These trees down, some homes damaged, and thousands of people without power. I'm Erica Bryant.
And I'm Allison Lottis. A good portion of the damage in our area happened in Statesville. Emergency crews responded to more than 120 calls there for help, including for several downed trees just like this one.
Our Brianna Harper is joining us live now. Brianna, you saw a lot of damage as you drove through Statesville.
Eric and Allison, that storm came through quickly, but it was certainly powerful. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is completely pitch black out here, aside from the lights that we have set up around our camera, which is one reason why I'm wearing this reflective vest so that people out and about can see me out here in this darkness. But earlier today, there were crews here along Front Street working to clear a tree that had fallen, taking down power lines, which is one reason why these street lights out here right now are completely out, leaving a lot of people in this area in the dark. Neighbors we spoke to say when this storm first started, they saw the rain and heard the powerful wind.
It started sounding like a freight train. My dog, she went in the laundry room, so we follow her because, you know, dogs and animals, they usually are a telltale sign something big is coming.
This homeowner says he was inside the house with his 15-year-old daughter when this large tree came crashing down on part of his home.
We just waited out and then we heard some thuds.
When it was safe to come outside, they got a good look at all the damage, from falling limbs to downed power lines. But despite the mess, they say they're thankful.
God's good. The house might be destroyed, my family's safe. Hey, what can I ask for?
For now, the family says they plan to stay at a friend's house for the night, but they never would have imagined a storm this strong would put them in this unexpected situation.
It just, boom, out of the blue, spurred up.
And at last check, the Duke Energy power outage map, that is, reports more than 1,000 people here in Iredell County are without power, and crews expect to have that power restored by at least 3 a.m.